Well, greetings, people's folks and space aliens. I'm at the 100-mile garage sale. I know this doesn't look like 100 mile. But I usually park. I had about 12 sales on the way down. I usually park in a parking lot. This is Hy-Vee parking lot in Winona. And I'm just going to bike around like crazy and hit sales. And I don't know how much of this I'm going to get because I realized I only brought one battery with me. And it's not even fully charged. But I did get one good sale, or one good buy on the way down. I got an imitation Camelback. So yeah, and then obviously Holster Lodge is like right there. So I might hit some trails today too. But seeing as I don't have a whole lot of time on my camera, I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna be hitting garage sales like crazy. So I'm just across the highway now, and I found my first garage sale sign. So I'm just gonna take this street down and see. But obviously if I see a garage sale, I'm gonna stop at it. And usually where there's one garage sale, there's more. You can see there's some activity on this street. So that's a good sign. So this guy actually has bottles, which is what I collect. They're all beer bottles, so okay. So that was a good sale. He says he's got more stuff he's bringing out, so I'm going to be coming back to the sale. But here's another one. Unfortunately, I didn't get a whole lot of video the first day of the 100-mile, so we'll skip ahead to day 2 here in a second, where I got more action on the 100-mile with my GoPro. Yeah, it's pretty. Greetings and welcome to day 2 of the 100-mile garage sale. I hit these sales here, and I parked right behind me at the church like I usually do. So, like I said, find a good place to park, get on your bike, and don't stop. I went to these sales here, and there's some sales up here around the corner that I went to as well. These were really good sales right here, but I didn't buy anything yet. So I've been 7 sales. We're going to head down to the south end of town. This is the street that parallels the highway, and this is a good place to just go up and down because this is usually where all the sales are. So obviously today is not an ideal day. It is raining right now, but I'm still going because I get wet, I get wet. That's the way it is. Garage sales are still off and running even though it's raining. So this is Sale Junction here. I'm going to try to get this all on action cam. Oh yeah, see, there's sales all over the place. There's like 5 of them here. I've been to 13 so far. 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to get down with these. Pat! How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Doing pretty good. I went down to Winona yesterday. There's a guy that had a bunch of beer bottles down there, so. We ran into somebody I knew, collector, so I'm gonna hit this stuff quickly and then move on. Oh, it's a nice mark. Hello.
Right. He doesn't even get a seat. And he doesn't get a seat, and you don't get a carry-on. Hello.
Hey.
Well, all the people have to say hi. Then when I saw you drive up the stuff in the spring, I looked, cause see, I thought, yeah, you look cute. You know what I mean? Yeah. Then when I saw you this spring, I thought, never heard looking like that. That's why I gave you that. And now are you off today? When you were in the bank center with the car.
Packwood, Iowa. He's got stuff sitting in the rain that shouldn't be sitting in the rain. While looking at tons and tons of stuff and going to garage sale after garage sale may seem tiresome to most people, one of the best parts about the 100 Mile is exploring new areas and finding stuff that I didn't know existed before. I'm trying to find this garage sale and I'm not finding it, but I found this paved path. And I did not know this existed. In fact, I've never been up this part of Lake City. So, but I think right over here, there is a off-road like trail. Caution. Oh, I want to bomb down this right now, but I think I'm gonna have to wait for another time. Wow. Pretty sweet. There's probably like a quadruple jump line down there or something.